Welcome to another edition of Sati's States to Bolts exercise regime for diabetics. In the last 2 days, we have focused on lower body and core, and today we will be working on strengthening our upper body. So let's welcome Manish. Let's get going. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groin before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If you want, take support. Not an 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With the another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First show low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout.
Thank you.
Going to do upper body workout. So we have Vivek. He did previously also upper body workout. So he is expert in the lower body, upper body, everything. So today he will demonstrate the upper body workout. Yeah. So it is very important to strengthen your upper body also. Although there is no load, but it is always important to distribute the load by strengthening all the part of the body, upper body, lower body and core. Yeah. So the first exercise, let's say what he have in his mind. So first he will go into the plank position and then he will do tap in and out. Yeah. So just see the first thing in the plank position, hip, shoulder, hip and heel in one line. अभी just hand movement होएगा. See, front, back. Yeah, relax. Yeah, this you have to do for the 15 to 20 seconds, or max you do 30 seconds. As you progress, you can start with the 15 to 20 seconds. So you get the comfortable, you will get the confidence. Yeah, that is more important, and you will start enjoying the workout. So we'll start. Let's do together. Yeah. First one we have to do for the both the hand, but at a time only one hand. Start. 1, 2. I will count for the 20 seconds. Yeah. If you're comfortable, you can continue for the 30 seconds. Else, just stop it. Next time you can increase the time when you are doing. Huh? Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take 5 second break. 4 to 5 second break. अभी दूसरा हाथ क्या करेंगे? दूसरे हाथ क्या करेंगे? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Yeah. Now we did the front and back. Front and back. अभी क्या करेंगे? Side to side करेंगे. Side, back, out, in. You can tell out, in, out, in. You can play a game like that. Yeah. We will show. Again, you have to go first in the plank position. Out and in. Yeah. See, only one hand is moving, and your hip should be like this. Yeah. Should not go up. Up कैसे होएगा? Wrong कैसे होएगा? एक मिनट. हाँ, ऐसे नहीं करना है. ये गलत है. हाँ? You will not be working on the upper body. Come up. Yeah? Everyone got it? Yeah? हम लोग ये वर्कआउट साथ में करेंगे. Again, you do it 15 to 20 seconds. If you are comfortable, you can do for the 30 seconds. Yeah? You start. Yeah? Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, see the form. The plank position should not go toss. Hip should not come up. 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax. Yeah? Take a 4 to 5 second break. Yeah? We'll start for the other hand. We'll start for the other hand. We'll start for the other hand. Start for the other hand. Yeah? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one, we will do spider lunges. Push-ups with the spider lunges. Yeah? He will show you how to do it. पहले ये देख लेना spider lunges कैसे करते हैं. Then he will show the push-ups also how to do it. Yeah? First just show spider lunges. एक पैर आपको आगे लेना रहता है साइड में. या सी. या सबसे पहले ये करना है. उसके बाद अब पुशअप्स करना है इसमें आके. जितना होगा आपसे. या हाँ. अब बैक बैक. पैर पीछे. या अगेन सेम लेग फॉरवर्ड. या बैक बैक. अभी पैर पीछे. ऐसे आपको एक ही पैर के लिए करना है. कम अप. गॉट इट. एक ही पैर के लिए करना है. दूसरे पैर के लिए भी बाद में करेंगे हम लोग. या सो डोंट वरी कि हम दूसरा हाथ कभी दूसरे पैर के लिए कभी करेंगे. विल डू इट. एक साइड पहले फोकस करेंगे एंड फोकस ऑन योर बॉडी. या विल स्टार्ट विद. या ग्रेट. इज ऑलवेज रेडी. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3. Again 20 seconds you can do. If you are comfortable, you can increase it to 30 seconds. Yeah? If you are not comfortable, you can do 15 seconds also. Hardly you will be able to do 4 to 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yeah? Again. Take a break for 4 to 5 seconds. Go to other side. Other side. Huh? We will do for the other side. Other leg we will move front and back. Yeah? Start. So you are not only working on your upper body, you are also mobilizing your glutes, your core. Yeah? That is what more important. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, wow. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. अभी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हम लोग करेंगे माउंटेन क्लाइंबर विद द पुशअप्स. यू मे बी थिंकिंग कितना पुशअप्स, या सो हम लोग माउंटेन क्लाइंबर के साथ पुशअप्स करेंगे. सो सी हाउ टू डू माउंटेन क्लाइंबर फर्स्ट. 2 बार माउंटेन क्लाइंबर करेंगे. 2 बार मतलब दोनों पैर से 2 बार, इसे टोटल 4. पूरा सेट लेंगे तो 2 बार माउंटेन क्लाइंबर. जस्ट शो 1 2 1 2 ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे माउंटेन क्लाइंबर. बट इसमें एक पैर से 2 बार ही, सिर्फ 2 बार करना हर पैर से. 1 2 1 2. यस. नाउ पुशअप्स फिर से करके दिखाना एकदम फ्लो में विदाउट स्टॉप. 1 2 1 2 पुशअप्स. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कम अप. So this is how we have to do it. Mountain climber with both the legs. Yeah, 2 each leg. Then you have to do the push-ups. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Start guys. You start with us, so you'll be able to complete. 20 seconds. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yeah. So we did push-ups with the mountain climber. We will do one more variation of the push-ups. Yeah. So what will be the next variation? He have in his mind with the in the plank position. He will do jumping jacks. Then he will do the push-ups. Yeah? So देखो पहले plank position में जाना है. Don't worry, whatever I am telling, he will demonstrate everything. पहले जाएंगे plank position में, then he will do jumping jacks. But jumping jacks में हम लोग ऐसे हाथ हिलाते हैं, but hand will not movement because you will be in the plank position. Only leg will move. He will show. Then we will do push-ups also. 2 jumping jacks we will be doing. 2 jumping jacks. Yeah. ये plank position हो गया. अभी jumping jacks. 1 2. अभी पुशअप्स. 1 2 पुशअप्स. रिलैक्स. सो इस तरह हम लोग ये पूरा वर्कआउट करेंगे. या आप लोग भी रेडी है? होप रेडी. इफ नॉट प्लीज गेट रेडी. या नहीं तो टाइम आपका ब्रेक पीरियड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. या स्टार्ट. इफ यू रिक्वायर प्लीज टेक, नॉट एन इशू. स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Do it slowly so you will be able to complete it completely and last तक हो जाएगा. Last 4 seconds. 3 2. Relax. अभी हम लोग एक लास्ट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. हाफ सूर्य नमस्कार, हिंदू सूर्य नमस्कार भी बोलते हैं उसको. या सो कैसे करना है? या रेडी? चलो करते हैं. सो बिकॉज इन एवरी वीडियो यू सी मी ओनली काउंटिंग, सो दिस वर्कआउट आई वुड लव टू डू. या सो यू टू गो इन द फर्स्ट इन द डाउनवर्ड पोजिशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट.
1 2
Slowly, huh? Slowly.
4.
Do it slowly.
5.
This count is in the
6.
second. He is
7.
not counting for
8.
me how many Surya
10
Namaskar I am doing.
11.
He is just counting the seconds.
12.
He will
13.
count the 20 seconds.
14
See how my body is
15.
going down. I am bending my
16.
elbow and coming up.
17
Yeah.
18
And
19
any of the exercise,
20.
do it slowly. Yeah. Come up. Yeah. Great. Yeah. This was great, Vivek. Hope you guys enjoy doing the workout with the Vivek. He is also named as VD very popularly in the running fraternity. He had did marathons, ultra runs, everything. Yeah. And he had beaten diabetes, means control the diabetes. So hope you will be also able to do. Yeah. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell notification too. Thank you. We will come back for the cool down.
Thank you.
said earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah. So we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb breath. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position, but static. होल्ड रखेंगे. आपके हिप और ग्लूट्स दोनों में स्ट्रेच आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1, 2. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. नी 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर स्ट्रेट. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस. नी लॉक है. लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते. 1 2 एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कंसंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा 5 4 3 2 अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 relax one we will do for the groin one we will do for the groin sit down like this and just stretch आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है 1 2 you feel the stretch in your groin groins मतलब ये पार्ट just you will feel the stretch there relax that is most ignored part while doing any of the workout either warm up cool down so we had purposely included in our program one we will do for the quads we will just lift it अगेन आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो दीवार से चलेगा या 4 5 6 7 8 9 दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे दूसरे पैर के लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Next one, we will do Trikonasana. Cross triangle pose. Perfect. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे या आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए 4 5 6 7 8 9 अदर साइड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 relax next one we will do few sitting exercises sitting stretches यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ आपका पैर इधर आएगा अभी just both the legs straight perfect just bend down forward bend again आपका जो ये पैर है ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है या 5 4 3 2 1 relax या butterfly थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ Now just swing it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे कैट कैमल आर्च देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं यस देन अगेन 2 4 to 5 टाइम यस बट डू इट वेरी स्लोली दिस इज फॉर रिलैक्सिंग योर बैक दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बैक यस सो यू मस्ट डू इट रिलैक्स next one you will sit in the Vajrasan, sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. Inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. Very slowly with his breathing rhythm उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और ब्रीदिंग रिदम से ही जैसे एक्सेल कर रहे डाउन हो रहे हैं, इनहेल ले रहे तो ऊपर, एक्सेल तो डाउन. Yeah, relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.